subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from Tech Soul blog.
A group of 26 suspects were arrested in China for smuggling almost $80 million worth of smartphones in southern China from Hong Kong. According to the Chinese Customs report, the suspects were able to transport upwards of 15,000 devices in a single night, which were mostly refurbished iPhones. The smuggling was taken place across the border that divides Hong Kong from mainland China. The drones were used to run 200 meters, that is 660 feet line, across the border and small bags, which held up to 10 smartphones each, and they were quickly carried through this line. The criminals run their operation after midnight to avoid being caught. This is definitely a new kind of crime, and the Legal Daily reports that it might be the Chinese first cross-border smuggling crime performed with drones. Shenzhen Customs, the city adjacent to the Hong Kong-China border, said it will closely monitor new type of smuggling with high-tech devices and enhance its monitoring capabilities with high-resolution monitors and drones to detect future smuggling activity. So guys, that's it in this video, and as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share, and for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel Tech Soul Blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.